So the question is, what statement is true regarding the function of a catalyst in a chemical reaction? A catalyst increases the rate of reaction. B, a catalyst provides an alternate mechanism for the reaction. C, a catalyst is not consumed by the reaction. D, all of the above. So after knowing a few facts about catalysts, the answer to this question is D, all of the above. So a catalyst the definition of a catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being involved in it. So if it speeds up the rate of the reaction, that means it increases the rate of the reaction, but it is not involved in the reaction. So C is true, that it is not consumed by the reaction. So a catalyst decreases the activation energy, which is required by the reactants to form the transition state. Therefore, they provide an alternate mechanism for the reaction. So the catalyst kind of provides like a shortcut for the reactants to be able to react with each other faster, so that they form products faster. So then it can be stated that a catalyst increases the rate of the reaction, it provides an alternate mechanism for the reaction, and it is not consumed by the reaction. So all three statements are correct in this case.